We'll guide you through how to make an enchantment room in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. An enchantment room is essentially a room where we can go and enchant items. You don't have to do it specifically in a room, you could do it in the open, but in this case we're doing it in a room. So if you don't know what enchantments are, essentially they're different things you can go and add on to tools and certain items. Swords, axes, pickaxes, shovels, you get the idea, and armor as well. And what we can then do is go and add benefits to it. So you could go and add a sharpness to go and make it sharper and do more damage, add fortune so you can go and potentially get more items from one item. Before we get any further, a big shout out that sponsors this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server and want to start playing with your friends, check them out, link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Right now, you can get 25% off your first order, so it's definitely worth checking them out. We can scroll down and check out some of their great features like unlimited slots, 24/7 servers and support so you can get help for your always online server, automated backups, free subdomain and much more. Check them out. So to go and get started with this, you go and get an enchantment table. You can go and craft one and put it in the middle and like this. Now, if we go and open it up, put an item in there and go and add in lapis, you can go and see the max level we're getting currently is 8, when in fact the highest level you can get is 30. To enchant to the highest level, we need to go and use bookshelves. So this is how you can go and craft a bookshelf. We can go and use 15 to go and get the highest level we can get. And to get started, place 3 in a row like so. Then what you can do is you can place another 3 on another side and another 3. And then what you can do is on 2 sides, go and add a second layer. So it goes and looks like this. That's a total of 15. Now when we go and open it up, place the item in there with lapis, you can see we can now access level 30. That's it. You've now got yourself an enchanting room. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.